Hello, hello. So recently, my bedtop had fault or it got spoiled, and my house was flooded. So I had no options than to change the bedtop. But then buying a new bedtop was so expensive and I could not afford it. So I decided to think out of the box, and this is what I came up with. So what you are seeing here is just a work in progress. This is not the final look of the bedroom after the renovation. You can see that everywhere is still messed up. So this is still work in progress. I had to buy some blocks, but then let's have a tour. Oh, this is my bedroom and this is the entrance. You have a door here, and this is where we hang our towel, our wrapper, or anything you wear to the bedroom before bedding. You can see I have a towel there, and I also have a wrapper. So this is the finished look of the bedroom. I have a mop here for mopping the floor of the bedroom in case there are some water splashes or leather. And I have some storage keg and buckets there, and this is actually the final look of the bedroom. After the renovation, this is what I could afford at the moment, and I don't think it's bad. So this is the bedroom, and this is the wall of the bedroom. This is the other part of the wall. You can see it is neatly tiled. I mean, some other parts of the walls is neatly tiled, and the tiles are still intact. But here, there is no tiles because the tiles fell off. Yes, it fell off sometime, and thank God no one was injured. So I had to remove those spoiled tiles and leave it like this, pending when I have money to fix it. So this is the tap in the bedroom where I fetch water for my bed and washing the clothes. As you can see, there is no shower in this bedroom, so this is what I use. I fetch water from there. I put a bucket and I fetch water. This is the other part of the wall. Okay, so you could see the bedroom was tiled, and this is me fetching water. Okay, this is the water from the tap, and this is what I do. Put my bucket, fetch the water. Alright, when it's filled, I will off the tap. As you can see, I've off the tap, and the next thing would be for me to take my bed, and this is what I do. I enter the bedroom. Okay, You can see it's deep, so I can't take my beds from there. So what I do is I carry the bucket of water. I think it's too filled, I reduced it. I'll carry the bucket of water and drop it to this elevated side. The camera is not doing justice to it, so let me rotate it. So I'll drop the bucket. Okay, let's do it again so that you can see. I'll carry my water, then drop it on this flat and elevated surface. That way it will be easy for me to bathe. Then I have this sub dish cover. Since I don't have shower, this serves as my shower tap. I scoop water from the bucket and I pour on my body. I scoop water and I pour on my body. That is the easiest way I substitute for the shower. I don't have here, and you can see my toothbrush, my toothpaste, and my African black soap. I don't joke with it. Alright, so this is where I drop them and I take my beds without any problem. Alright, so when I'm done taking my bed, I'll gently leave the bedroom, gently come out of the bedroom. Okay, so in a case where I have soap leather splashed all over the bedroom, I'll go ahead and rinse it with water. This is after I've taken my beds. Okay, I'll rinse off the bedroom with water so that the soap leather or splashes of soap leather on the bedroom will be rinsed off and the bedroom remains clean. So this is an illustration of how I do that. Okay, so that is it for the bedroom, and this is the best I can do. Then I'll go ahead and clean the floor in case there are splashes of water as I was bathing or splashes of soap leather on the floor. I'll go ahead and mop the floor so that everywhere remains neat. Okay, so this is the 360 view of the bedroom. Tell me what you think about my tiny bedroom. To me, I think it's okay because that is all I can afford now. When I get my money, maybe I can go for luxury. But for now, this is all I can afford, and I am proud of myself. Bye.